Breaking the Wall of Leishmaniasis and Disease Control. Mayumi Manamperi, Community-Directed Leishmaniasis Control in Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka.
Today, I am here due to a teeny tiny small blister. Let me tell you why. I'm a medical entomologist in my profession. A while ago, I saw a small suspicious blister on one of my friends. When you are in the medical field, if you saw something like that, your gut feeling naturally say, something wrong about it. So I asked him to go to one of our laboratory and get checked. After 2 or 3 days, he came to me and said he was diagnosed with a disease called Leishmaniasis. You may also wonder what is this disease is. Leishmaniasis is a neglected tropical disease caused by a bite of female sandfly. Diagnosis is very difficult. Sometimes symptom can be just a small blister with no pain. And drug developers all around the world have little interest on this because most of the clients are the poorest of the poor. So they can't afford it. But after so many researchers and studies, we found out that the key factor for controlling this disease is to stop the spread of disease from one person to another person. So in order to achieve that, we need to control the sandfly population in the area. And patients need to be encouraged to come to the local healthcare facilities to get treated. But unfortunately, to the countries like Sri Lanka, it is a huge challenge with limited staff, limited resources, and limited funds. So what we did was, we all came together. Rajarata University of Sri Lanka, WHO TDR crowd fund, and local healthcare authorities. But the most important partner for this project is the community-directed healthcare volunteers, or CDHCVs. They are the volunteers from the residents in the area who join with us to control this disease. Initially, we trained them by health expertise on sandfly sampling, symptom identification, and also health awareness. Then they took all the initiatives and all the responsibilities on their own to control this disease. We were only backed up them by monitoring and evaluating. They built these kind of DIY light traps to collect the sandflies. And we researchers analyzed them. Together, we could create a successful sandfly population control program in the area. And we raised awareness on controlling potential breeding sites such as cowsheds and non-plastered houses. And we raised awareness on protecting from sandfly bites. So no more flies, no more bites, and no more disease. These CDHCVs played an important role by ensuring patients reach to the local healthcare facilities. Together, we could reach thousands and thousands of people within a short period of time in this area. Our works have been appreciated. And we were selected as the WHO TDR regional node for Sri Lanka. The thing most surprises us about these CDHCVs are the dedication, while they are also struggling with their own life battle. They tried their level best to learn these new things, and they tried so many things to control this disease. We started with only 6 volunteers. Now we have more than 20 volunteers working with us in this area. And our ultimate goal is to eradicate the Leishmaniasis from the area and share our experience, our knowledge, and our success story with other communities who are suffering from the similar situation. Imagine a world we are not only fight against Leishmaniasis, but also trying to teach other diseases a lesson or two with this method. My friend, lucky to be found early, but not everyone. Health is the greatest gain. Once you are healthy, you can work, you can increase the quality of life, and you can break the cycle of poverty. That's why we all should come together to break the walls of diseases such as Leishmaniasis and its control.
Snack question time, yes.
Can you tell us more about the health problems related with this disease? Is it similar to malaria?
The thing is, there are 3 types of Leishmaniasis. First one related with that skin, second one mucus, and most dangerous one is the visceral Leishmaniasis that affect to the internal organs. So right now we have only first one, but we are trying to prevent. We are going to the third one.
The device that you just showed us, is that a device that you all came up with, or is that?
No.
Okay.
I am expecting that
Okay.
picture. Yeah, this is a light trap. They have manufactured this kind of light traps by CDC, but we don't have that much of funds to purchase that one. So our CDHCVs, they build these kind of light traps with DIY equipment. This one is a plate, and you can see that one. So the basic thing is they attract to the this light, not only sandflies, but mosquito and other light attracting. And there is a fan, computer fan. So they suck the insects here, then we collect them. The basic thing about the light trap.
When people get diagnosed and you help them go through the, I guess, treatment, do they also ask science questions about their disease and the process of getting infected? Because I think one of the biggest impact could also be about have them really engage with the literacy scientifically behind this disease, which I guess is really understudied and maybe not understood. So can you tell us a bit about the science engagement with the science of this disease?
Yeah. I think I got the question right. Sometimes this symptom, I told you that it is a small blister. They confuse about this one as a pimple or something. So we raised awareness that this is not a pimple. If you have this kind of blister, so you need to get checked, and immediately you go to this one. And we raised how this will spread, and what we should do to prevent from getting infected. And in addition to that, these people help to us to create risk maps for sandfly distribution likewise. And we gather data about the patients and create disease control programs, and so many things going on related to the science. It's okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.